Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a traditional South Indian style pickle, Kadarangai pickle. For those who are not familiar, this is a Kadarangai. Belongs to the citrus fruit family or the lemon family. You can make out by this slightly rough exterior, quite large in size. See? It will be slightly dimpled like this, little ups and downs. It is also called as wild lemon in English. Today I am using one Kadarangai. This is about 400 grams by weight. Wash it thoroughly, wipe it dry. Then we'll just cut it. We have to make small pieces of it. I am just removing this edge first. Then we can make slices from this. See, as you cut, the juice will come out. So I am keeping it like this so that the juice drips onto this plate. Make it slightly thin slices and then we can again cut it like this into smaller pieces. Remove the seeds, any large seeds if they are, you can just remove the seeds. Make them into sections like this. I have cut the pieces, discarded the seeds, and I have transferred the pieces into this ceramic bowl. For making any pickle, it is always good to use this crystal salt. So I am adding about 2 tablespoons of crystal salt to this. Also about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now just shake the container well so that the salt and haldi are mixed well. See? Cover it with a clean white cloth. Keep it in the sun from morning, evening you bring it inside. Again mix it well, keep it in the sun and bring it back. Like this you can do for 2 or 3 days. Only then the skin will become soft. If you don't have sunlight or don't have place to keep in sunlight also no problem. Just cover it and keep it aside on your countertop for 2 to 3 days till it becomes quite soft. It is 2 days now. It has been raining a little bit outside off and on. So it has been inside on my countertop only. See, let's check how well it has soaked. It has soaked well and also softened a little bit. To make the pickle masala, dry roast 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, now remove this onto a plate. In the same pan, take about half a teaspoon of methi seeds and dry roast them also over a low flame till it becomes reddish. See, when the methi seeds are well roasted, remove them also. Next, we need to roast the hing. For this, just take a drop of oil. Using these Hing Cubes because they add a very good flavor. We have used sesame oil as always for the pickle, and if you don't have these cubes, you can use hing powder directly too. I'll give you the link to this in the description box. Now, when it is well roasted, remove it. Now, in the same pan, I am adding 7 dry red chillies. Lightly roast them also. can switch it off. When cool, we'll powder all these ingredients, mustard, methi seeds, hing and dry red chillies in a blender jar. See, I just put this in this dry grinder jar, and we have made it into a coarse powder, lightly coarse powder like this. Again, take about 1/4 cup of this sesame oil or til oil in the pan. Add some mustard seeds. Allow it to splutter. Next, adding this soaked Kadarangai. And just stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It is 4 minutes now. It has been frying on a very low flame. Now I switched it off. Transfer it into another bowl, and we'll just allow it to cool down to room temperature. It has cooled now. Now we'll add this pickle masala which we ground and kept. Now mix everything well together. For this particular pickle, only if you make a coarse powder of these chilies, it gives the authentic texture and taste. Finally, I am just adding a teaspoon of this Kashmiri chilli powder, which is not spicy, but it will give a good color to your pickle. See, our Kadarangai pickle is perfectly done and ready. You can see the color and texture. Later, for storing, use any ceramic or glass jar to store the pickles. Don't keep them in plastic or steel containers. See, our perfectly done Kadarangai pickle. You can just store this and use it after about 4 or 5 days. This Kadarangai is not only very tasty and excellent combination for curd rice, it is also very good for digestion. And certain days when you don't have good appetite or you're feeling nauseous or something, just have a little bit of this Kadarangai Murugai or Kadarangai pickle, and it will work wonders for you. These are all our traditional homemade pickle recipes which have been carried down for generations. Do try it out, share the recipe with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.